today? Yes, you are? Fine. Okay. Today we're gonna learn about phonic sounds. Okay, do you still remember phonic sounds? Okay, let's start to the song. 1, 2, 3. Know these letter sounds? Do you know these letter sounds? They will help you. They will help you learn to read. Apple, apple, ah, ah, ah. Good job. Apple, apple, ah, ah, ah. Baby, baby, ba, ba, ba. Good. Baby, baby, ba, ba, ba. Cookie, cookie. Good. Cookie, cookie. Dolly, dolly, da, da, da. Dolly, dolly, da, da, da. Elbow, eh, eh, eh. Elbow, elbow, eh, eh, eh. Flower, flower, flower. Garden, go, go, go. Garden, garden, go, go, go. Hammer, hammer. Hammer, hammer. What next? Igloo, igloo, I. Igloo, igloo, I. Jelly, jelly, j, j, j. Good job. Jelly, jelly, j, j, j. Okay, good job. So yesterday we have learned from A to I. And today we have learned from I to J. And now, Jian, we're gonna take these worksheets, okay? We're gonna learn about the alphabet, but the first is the sounds of the alphabet, okay? Now, please, can you show me where is the A? This is A. Good job. Okay, now let's see. Do you still remember B? Yeah, please circle. Good job. And now please show me B again. Yeah, excellent. Circle. Okay, now what about Ch? Yeah. Very good. And then, what about elbow, elbow, Which one? Yeah. Good job. Thank you, Jian. Now you know about the phonic sounds and the alphabet. Okay, next we're going to the worksheets. Okay.